Hello students, welcome back to our channel FoodTech Online. So in this video we will be going to discuss on the syllabus of CUET Food Science and Technology. So this CUET, it stands for Common University Entrance Test. So previously they used to take this as a single entrance test, but now they have divided this into two parts, that is Food Engineering and Technology, that is MTQP06, and another, that is Food Science and Technology, SCQP12. So this examination, it will have 75 questions of 300 marks. That means one question it will carry 4 marks, and your one wrong answer it will take your 1 marks. And in time duration will be 105 minutes. And no general question, no general test for each paper. However, yes, candidates, they can choose this general subject as their paper. So now, let us begin. Yes, one more thing, that all the questions, these are based on your subject specific knowledge, and all the questions will be compulsory. So now let us proceed our first part that is Introduction to Food Science and Technology. So in this you have to go through the definitions, scopes, current trends in food science and technology, food groups and nutrients, definitions and meanings of what is food, nutrient, concepts and characteristics of balanced diet. Secondly, what is intro? You have to go through the introductions of basic food groups. Yes, over here browning, this classification of enzymatic, non-enzymatic, metallic browning, causes, preventions, advantages, disadvantages. Try that you covered this part thoroughly because question comes from here. This part is important, browning part. Next, cereals and pulses. So compositions, nutritive types of cereals. Yes, their types, their milling processes. What are the equipments which are needed in the millings? The toxic constituents of the milling. This is important. Gelatinization, retrogradations, germination, fermentation part. This is important. Next, fruits and vegetables. So classification of fruits, compositions, nutritive values and effects of processings on pigment. Chocolates and cocoa products, so in this its processing is important. Then preparation, how this is prepared, this is important. Next, actually theoretical parts. So in this, milk and milk products, eggs, meat, fish, poultry, sugar and fats and oil. So in all of this, their nutritive values and composition, this part is important. Along with this, in milk, try to cover clarification, pasteurization, homogenization, fortification and sterilization part. Introduction to milk products, effects of processings on milk. In eggs, it's egg quality deterioration, the green ring formation in the boiled eggs, egg foams, then effects of heat on egg proteins. In meat and meat poultry, its selection, purchasing and criterias of meat, fish, poultry, the tenderization of meat. This, try to cover this part thoroughly in tenderization of meat. Next, sugar composition, so its properties, manufacturing sugars, that is crystalline, non-crystalline candies. Fats and oils, so in this, try to uh, cover the processings of fats, how the refining of oils is done. So try to cover that, the density of fats, how this can be prevented, the what is emulsion. Okay. Next, that is Introduction to Food Hygiene and Adulteration. So in this, what is food hygiene, what are the factors by which food safety is being affected, then what is personal hygiene, what are the factors, and then adulterants, adulterations, its effect. In basic baking technology, the history of bakery. Then scopes in Indian economy, wheat grain and technology. So in this, yes, milling of wheat, types of refined wheat, its process, this is important part, try to cover this part. Then gluten, amylose, amylopectins, moisture content, its storage, how these are stored. Next, cake technology involved, what are the types of cakes, how it is prepared, what are the ingredients used in the cakes, how balancing of cake is done, what are the different methods of decorations, how costing is done, what are the labeling process. Okay, next, in pastry technology all same, like how the process, what are the ingredients done. Okay. um Next, fourth part, that is introduction to food safety and preservation. So in the scope, process, purposes of preservations, objectives of preservation, the processings of preservation, then what is post harvest changes and its chemical, physical and biological changes in fruits and vegetables, what are the factors which affects the growth of microorganisms, its control measures. Next, in food safety, the key terms of food safety, again this food law, standards and regulation, this part is again important. यहाँ से basically questions पूछे जाते हैं. Food additives, contaminants, hygiene, sanitation, principles and preservation methods of preservation. So low temperature, कब low temperature use होता है, high temperature, moisture, how moisture is removed. Then what are the chemical preservatives which are added, then what quantity they are being added, this is also important. Okay, quantity भी आप याद रखिएगा. कुछ कुछ बेसिक्स चीज़ों का. नेक्स्ट, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल प्रोसेसिंग में सॉसेज, बेवरेजेस, चटनी, सॉस, डेफिनेशंस, मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिजर्वेशंस, मींस डेफिनेशंस आपको देखना है. इसमें प्रिजर्वेशन मेथड्स क्या क्या है, इसमें कुछ पास्चराइजेशन होता है कि नहीं बेवरेज इंडस्ट्रीज में, वो उसमें क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐड किए जाते हैं, ये सब आपको ध्यान रखना है. Next, in fifth part, that is advanced baking technology. So in this, the bread technology, that is, this is main, that preservation, preparation of bread, what are the ingredients used, dough preparations, steps, process, evaluation of bread, baked bread, staling of bread. Yes, again the staling of bread, this is important. Staling, retrogradation, gelatinization, what are the disease, these are important. Biscuit and cookies technology. So in this, ingredients, process and evaluations. Then food packaging. So yes, food packaging, again this is an important topic. So in this, what are the ideal packagings, there are various methods in packagings, like what is active packaging, intelligent packaging, smart packaging. So try to cover this part also. Yes, over here it's given RFID labels, regulation, designing of food, packaged food, nutritional labelings. Next, marketing and cost control. So how marketing is done, how the costing is done of the product. Yes, 4 P's, that is product, price, place and promotion. Marketing technologies, distribution of processed products, cost control, cost, labor and all these things. Again, next part, that is advanced fruit and vegetable technology. So in this, dehydration, concentration, freezing and refrigeration and cannings, yes, their objectives and definition, this three is important. And methods in dehydration, its methods and preservation methods, the normal drying curve, water activity, factors affecting rate, sun drying, types of dehydrators like air convections, drum, freeze, vacuum dryers. Then in freeze drying, same, the steps of freezing of fruits, cryogenic, yes, this part is important, cryogenic freezing of fruits and vegetables. Canning, so in canning, then its methods of preservation, steps of cannings of fruits and vegetables. Then what are the microorganisms which act like spoilage of canned foods, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. Introduction to new food products and developments. So this R&D part is also important. What are the types of new products, what are the challenges, how these challenges are being overcome, what are the failures. Then fruits, pectins, preservation, pickles, jam, jellies, marmalades. So pectin theory, gel formation, this is important. Methods of preservation and steps of preservation, evaluation. Preservation methods, like उसकी definition याद रखना है, methods याद रखना है, steps, evaluation. Then pickles का भी same, its steps. Then what are the chemicals or preservatives if there is added in them. So next, last part, that is food safety, hygiene and quality testing. So इसमें basically मैंने बताया जैसे foods laws and regulation, इधर से questions पूछे ही जाते हैं, तो आप इस part को cover करके जाइएगा. Food introduction, food act, laws and standard, national food safety standards, international standards, regulatory agencies and consumer protection act. Next, that is food quality management. So in this, quality control, quality assurance, then TQM, then what is HACCP, GMPs, HACCP के 7 principles, ये सब आप देखकर जाइएगा. Introduction to food safety and hygiene. So over here, factors affecting food safety, food spoilage, food handling methods, then special requirements for high risk foods in hygiene, sanitation and food service institutions. So in this, cleaning and disinfections, personal hygiene, pest control, waste disposal, sensory methods of food quality testings, sensation of taste, smells, appearance, flavor, sensory evaluation techniques, objectives and methods of food quality testing. So in this, physical methods basically like moisture, acidity, basics one like moisture, acidity, water activity, viscosity, color. Then protein, fat composition, fat and ash. Yes, ash content is important, microbiological sampling and test methods. Okay. Along with this, if you are preparing for other food related examinations like food safety officer, central food safety officer or any analyst examination, then आप हमारे ऐप में जा सकते हैं. आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसकी लिंक भी मिल जाएगी. Then over there, sections are there like CUET examinations, food safety officer examinations, central food safety officer examination. You can go there and you can practice for more questions. So, and yes, try to cover those parts which I mentioned today in your syllabus as important, as वहाँ से questions basically वहाँ से पूछे ही जाते हैं. And one more thing, अगर आपको कोई भी queries रहती है from this video or another video, then you can comment down me below. And if you like the video, you can share with your friends and subscribe our channel for your latest updates and other social media links. It's given in the description box for your daily update. So till then, thank you.